So right here, and give you a better chance to see it, you have the manual mode. This allows you to actually shift through your gears if you want more control over what gear the truck is in at the time. So really simple. There's a plus and minus right here on the side of the shifter. Shift it down into drive, turn it on to the manual mode. It changes it here in the dash, and you can see we're at the first gear right now. And then it will only, since we're not driving, it will only go to the next one. So then it'll be on manual too. It won't take me to third yet until we're actually driving and the truck is actually able to shift into the gear properly. So I really appreciate everyone taking the time to watch this video and hanging out with me today. If you liked what you saw here, please like and subscribe to the page. And thanks everyone.